One of the essential factors in creating YouTube videos is how you can instantly attract viewers to click and watch your videos. So first impression matters. Now, the first impression that you will need to consider is creating better YouTube thumbnail. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create better and attractive YouTube thumbnail in less than 10 minutes. So stay tuned, everyone. Now, the first thing that I would like you to do is go to your browser and find canva.com. So this is the platform that we are going to use to create our YouTube thumbnail. If you haven't signed up, sign up first because you won't get access if you haven't signed up. And by the way, Canva is free. However, if you want to upgrade your Canva so you could see premium features, you will need to subscribe. Okay, so if you see the search feature here, go and click or find YouTube thumbnail. Since I've been using this for quite some time, it shows up in the recent feature. So I'm just going to click YouTube thumbnail. Once you are directed in this part, you are going to get around 500 templates of your choice, both free and paid ones. So the paid ones are usually labeled with a dollar icon, if you can see over here, and then if it's free, there's a free icon over there. So all right, since we are using the free subscription, we are going to find the template that is as well free, right? So let's find a template that suits with our needs. Since the focus of my video is how to make a better attractive YouTube thumbnail in less than 10 minutes. So I'm going to find a colorful template. Oh, I like this one. Let's use this one. Okay. Right. So this is the original template. Now, what you need to do is you will need to mess around with the template itself. So let's edit this and create our title. Since I'm going to use this thumbnail for this video, so I'm going to write down the title. So how to make better and attractive YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and let's edit this as well. So the focus is in less than 10 minutes. Let's increase the font 22. Let's increase the font to, let's say, 30, since I want to highlight this. And let's make this red, shall we? So okay, where is it? Red. So, and let's make this bold. Let's make this bold as well. Let's change this image and use something that relates with our title. So how to make better and attractive YouTube thumbnail. Let's find someone who is showing their thumb, right? So I'm going to find a picture. Well, I've already downloaded a picture on the internet that shows someone is pointing a thumb. So here it is. So I'm just going to upload it here in Canva. All right, there it is. It's being uploaded in Canva. And once it's finished, I'm just going to drag this and drop it here. And there you go, right? Now, once the design is done, download it, use the suggested file. So in this case, it's a PNG file. and then download. And go to your browser and search the file. Okay, so there you have it. This is the thumbnail created in Canva. All right, so enjoy messing around in Canva. I hope you find this video beneficial. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Okay, thank you very much for watching, everyone. Bye bye now.